Hello, you are welcome. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 5 power x plus 25 power x equal to 650. Now 5 power x plus this 25 can be written as 5 power 2 power x equal to 650. Now we know this algebra formula: a power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m. So 5 power x plus 5 power, we are changing this according to this formula, x whole power 2 equal to 650. Now let us consider 5 power x equal to y. So y plus y square equal to 650. Now moving this left hand side, y plus y square minus 650 equal to 0. Now this 650 can be written as 650 equal to 25 times of 26. 650 equal to this 25 can be written as 5 square times of 26. Now rearranging this, y square plus y minus 650 equal to 0. Now y square, this y can be written as plus 26, this 26 y minus 25 y, this is 1 y minus 650 equal to 0. Now we are going to take y common from this. So y open bracket y plus 26 close the bracket. Here we are going to take 25 common here. So minus 25 open bracket, this y minus into minus is plus, so plus 25 times of 26 is 650. So 26 equal to 0. Now here y plus 26 is common here and here, so we are going to take that common out. Y plus 26 y minus 25 equal to 0. Now y plus 26 y minus 25 equal to 0. We have two equations. One is y plus 26 equal to 0. Other one is y minus 25 equal to 0. Now y equal to this 26 can be written as minus 26. This here y equal to 25. Recall y equal to 5 power x. So here 5 power x equal to minus 26. Here 5 power x equal to 25. Here this 5 power x is not equal to minus 26 anywhere. So we are rejecting this. Here 5 power x equal to, this 25 can be written as 5 power 2. So base are same, power should be x equal to 2. So this is the x. Now I'm going to verify this. 5 power x plus 25 power x equal to 650. Now applying x here, 5 power 2 plus 25 power 2 equal to 650. Now this 5 power 2 is 25 plus 625 equal to 650. 650 equal to 650. So LHS equal to RHS. That's verified. Thanks for watching this video.